Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Patrick Hannafin, and I'm here today in a park in Huntington Beach, and I'm going to give you some of my opinions today. You know, I try to be really neutral and just report the news and all that's going on and do a lot of research. But today I'm in Faulkner Park in Huntington Beach, just a beautiful park here. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like and please subscribe. And any comments or suggestions you have, please leave those for me. And we're just going to go through the park and walk through the neighborhood. But it's frustrating to me because as I'm doing these YouTube videos, I see so many people, and I think it's great, that reports on the stimulus every day, and a lot of them report 3 times a day, and they get huge reviews and ratings, but nothing's really happening. You know, this has gone on for 6 months. You know, and there's like 2 senators, Christian Sinema and Joe Manchin, that are just preventing this. And, you know, I begin to wonder, this is where I'm getting real opinionated, but let me show you these dogs down here. It's so cool, this park, and really cool houses. Some are newer and some are older around here. Just a nice feel to this neighborhood. But I begin to wonder that, you know, if they're playing good cop and bad cop, and I'm sure they are somewhat, but, you know, it's like if Christian Sinema wasn't there, or Joe Manchin, there'd be somebody else that the corporate people would buy off that would just take their place. And they know just by, it's like President Joe Manchin. I mean, you know, the president and 48 Senate members all want to help people, supposedly, and get them stimulus and, you know, help them recover from the pandemic. And the inflation, old people's money has just gone down where it's almost worthless. And, you know, I mean, come on. You know, you just kind of go, it's just baloney. I mean, the gas prices, we're going to bring those down for you. Yeah, it's gone down 3 cents. 3 cents. Is that crazy? You know, I mean, oh, big deal. And the ships, there's more ships off the coast now. And I live in Huntington Beach. Right off the coast, there's 96 ships there. You know, in the stores, they're doing okay. They got stuff, but they don't have the stuff I want. I mean, I can't even buy broccoli, and I don't even like broccoli. I'm just trying to eat healthy, you know? This is like crazy. They're out of carrots the other day, broccoli, you know, vegetable lasagnas, that's been out for months now. Gerolsteiner water from Germany is out. It's just one thing after another. There's like probably 10 things that are missing in my shopping cart when I get to the front. And, you know, I was laughing because there's this huge aisle, it's all spaghetti sauce. And then I realized they don't have anything else to put in the aisle, so they spread the spaghetti sauce, all they have, all the way down this aisle. So they were full. Yeah, there you go. But I'm wondering if, you know, I mean, when I hear President Biden say, you know, Joe Manchin, my friend, you know, my good friend, I've known him for years, I'm going, how can you be a good friend with this guy that's preventing every program that you're proposing unless you really like the fact that he's preventing these programs and you still get all your corporate sponsors because they know that you're not going to get it passed anyway. You know, it's just baloney to me. You know, and I see the money supply has changed. This year, they printed 25 to 40% more money. And you start thinking about that. Let me turn this around, it's so pretty. Look at this cool stone house here. Is this cool or what? But I don't trust the government anymore. I just don't trust them. I mean, if they want to get this passed, get it passed. You know? And these people that are on Social Security, that, you know, maybe they're getting $800-900 a month, but when they signed up and paid in for that for 60 years, thinking they're going to get $800 or $900, $800 or $900 was worth a lot of money. And now it's not. You know, so I mean, it's a joke. They're on a fixed income. They go to the grocery store. Everything's so high. It's unbelievable. I mean, I've read down the list of inflation. You just can't believe how much it is, how much things are. You know, like, I mean, come on, a house alone has gone up 20% this year. 20%. You know, that's like silly. You know, and a lot of people that they're a little wealthier that own a home, that's great for them. You know, they can go borrow against the home and get the low interest rate still, which is keeping the home prices high. They raise those interest rates up, those home prices are going to fall like you won't believe. And in California, a lot of people don't want to sell their house because of Proposition 13. They're grandfathered in with a great tax rate, but if they sell that house, they're going to go to a new tax rate, and they don't want to have that. So there aren't many houses for sale. I mean, you look around the street, you don't see any houses for sale at all, nothing. So if you have a house for sale, you're going to sell it in about 20 minutes. You know, maybe a slow sale will take you 3 days with only 5 bidders, you know. It's crazy. People selling the houses for more than they're asking. And that's fine, and it's great for those people, but it's not a normal economy, and sooner or later there's going to be a lot of problems with that. And I just worry about these people that don't have the stocks, because the stocks go up one day, you know, 600 points, 900 points down, 600 back up again. This is nuts. You know, and gold supposedly is a safe investment. Let's talk about gold for a minute, and silver. You know, I have some. I hold on to it, not as much as I used to. I just don't like it because it doesn't go anywhere. It's frustrating, but I still kind of feel safe having some. But it's like, I mean, silver, what is it, $22.50 today? I think I bought it at $29 a year and a half ago. It's gone down like, you know, what, a third? And gold, I mean, look at the chart. In the last 6 months, the last year, the last month, whatever, it's gone down. It might have gone up one day. But I mean, it can't even crack 1,800 points for an ounce. And like, who are you going to use that gold and silver with? Oh, look how cool this is. Let me just share this with you here. I mean, if we have a depression, you're not going to walk in a store. I mean, you might, but it's not likely. And just go into Albertsons Market and try to buy your groceries with gold and silver coins. You know, and you're going to take them to a coin shop, if they're even in business during a depression, and they're going to give you about, if you're lucky, 2/3 of what you paid for it. And when you buy it, you're going to pay a markup on it. You're going to pay, if you buy it on eBay, you're going to pay sales tax, and then you're going to pay shipping. And then if you sell it on eBay, there's a huge fee to sell it there too. I just don't see how you're going to lose a third right off the bat with it. It's just not a good investment. That's my opinion. And it's been rainy today, and I'm just looking at this video, so I'm filming here. The sky is just, it's all breaking out now with the blue sky. Well, I know some of my friends will say geoengineering, which subject I don't want to get into, but I have a lot of doubts about a lot of things these days, let me tell you. And let me show you a couple of these houses. These are pretty cool over here. But yeah, I just think old people are getting screwed. That's the bottom line, I guess, of this video. And I feel bad about it, and I don't like to see that happen. I mean, you know, you pay in with one kind of dollar, and then we pay you back with a Venezuela dollars. That's not fair to those people. And like, you know, Biden ran and said, you know, he was going to raise Social Security up, you know, $225 a month and all these plans for it. Okay, it's 9 months now. Have you done anything? Anything at all? Nothing. He gave us one stimulus check that was smaller than what Trump was going to give us. And that's about it. And I'm not saying I'm a Republican, I'm not saying I'm a Democrat, I'm just an independent, but I notice what's going on, and I'm watching this. I'm doing videos every day. I'm watching all the news, I'm watching other people's videos, and you know, and all these people are clicking on there, you know, they hear about the stimulus check every day, and they're just being led on because the stimulus check isn't happening every day. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening at all. And they're not probably going to get it. Maybe they will eventually. It's not going to happen by Christmas. I mean, what do we got, like 9 days away? You know, it's like silly. And it's just a shame. And I mean, I want to help people in some way. You know, I have a list here at the bottom of the information right underneath my name, and where you can click subscribe, and hit to be notified, the little bell. And underneath that, there's all kinds of little programs that you can get that will help you. And they've been around for a long time. So a few are newer. You have the rent where you're getting the rent paid. That's new, and they're talking about paying people's mortgages for a little bit. That's a brand new one. I put that information there. This was in California. I think that's actually in the whole United States, and it hasn't come out yet, but it's about ready to. So I've been keeping an eye on that to let people know. And there's ones with weather stripping, and you get your house weatherized for free if you're low income. save you on your utility bills. You know, of course, everybody knows about the SNAP program, and then there's the $50 off your internet service that's on there, and then there's a Top Action Lawsuits, which is another great one, because everybody's bought a few little things that just turned out it wasn't as healthy as it was supposed to be. And just fill it out and say, yeah, I bought 6 of these Hershey bars, and they have this GMO in there, and I didn't even want to eat them. I would like to get my money back, and you'll get $30. You know, those are all little helpful things that you can do. So I'm trying to keep a list of those for you guys too. But I'm just speaking out because I don't think it's right that people are getting so screwed over on their Social Security. I just think that's wrong. And then I don't like these sites that are just trying to tell you, oh, your things aren't going well, buy gold. Yeah, lose another 30–40% of your money, because you can't sell it back for what you even paid for it. It hasn't gone up in 5 years, and it's probably not going to go up in 5 years. At the best, you might make 2%, but by the time you pay a 30% commission selling it, you're not going to come out ahead on that. It's just, you know, Bitcoin, you can at least buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it might go down, but it might go up too, and you keep your eye on it. You buy it on a big major dip when it's low, and you buy it, watch it like a hawk, and sell it when it goes up, and get out of it. You know, and I agree, it's not based on anything, but it's like a pyramid scheme, and people buy into those things, and if you're careful, you can probably do okay. And you do okay with the stock market for quite a while too. I don't know when this is all going to end, but I wouldn't just throw my money in gold coins, little rocks that you got to worry about them getting stolen in your house. I'm real opinionated on that, but anyway, just keep your money diversified too. You know, have a little here, a little there. Protect yourself, because you don't know how one thing's going to work out. No one can predict. You just can't. So if you have your money in different areas, you know you're safe. I mean, I wish everybody could just have bought into the stock market when it was going up for so long and really made a fortune on that. And then if you own a couple homes and, you know, they're going up 20% a year. Think about that. You own a home, it's $1 million. It goes up 20%. That's like $200,000. You have 2 houses, it's $400,000. You borrow $100,000 or two, you can live for a couple years, you know. The game isn't going to go on forever. You know, you don't want to be the one that buys at the whole top of the whole thing. Look at all these dogs over here. Yeah. Guess he's a dog walker. Pretty cool. You a dog walker? Oh, wow, I guess something, that's like cool. All right, thank you. Okay, it's okay if I took a quick picture there? Yeah. Great, thanks. No problem. They look like they're having a blast all together there. They are, they're kind of pooped now. Anyway, those are some opinions. Let me show you this tree too. You know. Is this a cool tree here? It's kind of probably had better days, but it's sure interesting looking. Anyway, just, oh, I got a buddy here. Hi there. Hi there. It's okay. Bye. And it gets chewed up by a dog on this video. They're a friendly dog. Anyway, just take care of yourself, you guys, and don't be a consumer any more than you have to be. You know, you don't need everything, and just relax and enjoy life and visit the park and go to the library and be thankful for what you have. And remember that we're all blessed, and there's so many great things around, and every area has something to be thankful for. And eat healthy, exercise, take walks, go to the gym if you can, drink plenty of good quality water, and just take good care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching my video, and God bless. Bye-bye.